Hello, hello, hello. And what I have in front of me and what I'm going to be talking about is the Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin plus Fresh Scent Detergent. And want to get down to the bottom of it. Moving too much. Okay, here we go. And with 50 loads for all machines, including, what is that? I can't even see that. What is that? H something? Wait a minute. What is that? HE? Oh, okay. I guess that is that. HE. Oh, okay. Okay, again, so, and it's with baking soda fresh. As you know, Arm & Hammer is, with baking soda. But anyway, let me stop moving it so much. Okay, is that clear? Let's clear it up a little bit. Okay, put in the light a little bit. There we go. All right. Kind of said that kind of loud. So this actually was on sale, and let me tell you, I have no complaints about this detergent at all. Use it in darks, use it in whites, use it for metallics, use it for delicates. It is amazing. Not only does it leave a fresh scent on it and it lasts for days, I mean for days. So I don't know, with me, if I'm out all day, I like to put my stuff in the dirty clothes. Like I don't feel comfortable wearing the same thing. It's just me, and plus I have sensitive skin too. So, but anyway. One of the main reasons why I was looking at this, besides that it was on sale, that it said for sensitive skin. And I kind of wanted to experiment to see, if I could tell the difference if my skin was going to react to it or not. I really don't really notice a big difference about it. But I will say, though, that knowing that it's for sensitive skin and making sure, like, my body doesn't, like, break out from the clothes, the clothes that was in the detergent or whatever, that I wouldn't get any breakouts. I haven't. One thing that is so weird, I don't know if it happens to anybody else, but with this detergent, when I take it off, I kind of still smell like it. I don't, regardless of what perfume and stuff I put on, I still kind of smell a little small scent of it. And it does smell, my closet does smell like this too. So, and it is so funny because my closet doesn't have a smell to it. It's like a fresh, no scent at all. And when I wash with this and another detergent as well, but not as strong as this one. I don't know because it's with baking soda. I don't know. But anyway, closet smells like it too. So, and I don't know, maybe because my closet is it's not like huge or everything. It's not, but it just lightens my closet and it smells so good. Oh my goodness. And then fresh scent, they ain't never lied. This smell is amazing. Let me go ahead and just give a... Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's like if you smelling something like you're on a tropical beach somewhere and you just have that fresh, new, beautiful, light wearing outfit and you don't sweat. You just feeling confident and just, oh my goodness. That's crazy how I can say all that from this one smell. Yeah, that's what the smell is giving me. Ooh, Jesus, so but no, besides me being goofy and all that, no, I really do love this. I don't know if the bottle is still the same as far as the color wise, because I did see another one of these, but I think it was like a yellow. But this was actually the last bottle, and I don't know if it's because it's on sale or what, but this was the last one, and I've been using this for a while, and it is amazing. So let me go ahead and talk about the dark colors. I was a little scared to, if it could use it on darks. And I think on the back it says you can. Let me see. It didn't stain mine. It didn't really fade. It didn't fade my dark clothes and all, so I'm not complaining at all. Some of the things which is good, is that it's free of dyes, dermatology tested for people that go to dermatologist, and you're kind of curious about if definitely you have a sensitive body that breaks out easily, and a hypoallergenic fragrance, so you don't have to worry about as far as something being overly, I don't know, like a overly high produce of fragrance. Because I know some products, if it has a real strong fragrance in it, yeah, that's like a big no-no when you definitely have like a you have sensitive skin going on, whatever. I like the fact that it has like gentle skin. Yeah, I really don't have any complaints about it. Now the color of it, I'm gonna go ahead and show you about the color. So it kind of has like this light white color. Well, it's actually clear when you pour it out. Yeah, I was gonna say like color. I think it has something to do with the bottle. Yeah, see, it's clear. So yeah, don't let the bottle on the side fool you. You know, it's nothing like that. It's definitely clear. Now I'll pour it in here so you can definitely see that it is clear. Okay, so yeah, it's clear. And I don't know what it's, oh, yeah, I see a new look. So I don't know if the bottle color is going to be the same, because like I was saying, it is. Okay, there you go. Now it's clear. Okay. Was yellow, but this one had to be white. But it's the same product. It says on the top too, the same product. So don't get freaked out if you don't see that it's a white bottle. It's a different color. As long as it has plus fresh scent and it's for sensitive skin, you good to go. But anyway, again, this is the Arm & Hammer sensitive skin. I just said it. Plus fresh scent detergent, baking soda fresh, gentle skin. Go and get you some, because I'm not lying. This stuff is amazing.